How to see your Steam password while logged in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question. So in today's video, we're gonna find out how we can see our Steam password while we are logged in the Steam. So start by opening the Steam app and make sure that you are logged in to your Steam account. And once you have opened the Steam, simply tap on the Steam shown in the top left corner, and the drop down menu will appear. From there, simply select settings. Now in the account section of settings, simply select account details. Now in the account details, scroll down to account security and click on change my password. Unfortunately, Steam doesn't allow you to view your current password even if you are logged in. However, you can reset it and create a new one. To reset your password, Steam will send you a verification code to your registered email. If you no longer have access to that email, select the option to provide a new email address and enter details like your previous emails, phone numbers, or any additional information about the issue, and then click send. And once you have completed the process and reset your password, you will have a new password of your account. And with this, I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.